Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your iPhone. At the bottom right, tap on the menu or three line. Then tap on setting gear icon on the top corner. Now tap on privacy and security or privacy and safety. Next, tap on app lock. Here you will see option says face, require face ID or require touch ID. Turn the switch on. Your iPhone will now ask you to confirm using your face ID or touch ID. Just follow the on-screen instruction. Once this is enabled, Messenger will lock itself when you leave the app. The next time you open the Messenger, you will need to use Face ID or Touch ID to access your messages. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.